Here, we present the protocol to explore the biomarker and survival predictor of breast cancer based on analysis of a variety of public accessible databases. This method can improve the credibility and representativeness of the conclusion, thereby present informative perspective on a gene of interest.
The advantage of this method is that it allows for the rapid visualization and interpretation of a gene's potential role in breast cancer. Moreover, all the results obtained through this procedure can be immediately tested and repeated by simply querying the corresponding websites.
We chose breast cancer in the study to test the feasibility of this method. Because breast cancer is a heterogeneous disease, the diagnosis, treatment, and prognosis of different molecular subtypes of breast cancer may vary. Therefore, it is particularly important to find efficient online tool or database with information to reflect the disparate subtypes of breast cancer.
To begin this procedure, go to the OnCombine web interface. Type ID1 into the search box to obtain the relative expression levels of gene ID1 in various types of malignancies. In the Primary Filters menu, select Analysis Type, then select Cancer versus Normal Analysis. In the Other Views menu, select Gene Summary View. Set the threshold of p-value at 0.01, set the threshold of fold change to 2, set the threshold of gene rank to all, set the data type to all. Download the figures.